Became a contractor about 9 years ago, almost to the day, and I was looking for an opportunity that would free me from, I guess, being at any one location. I could be just about anywhere and run a business. I had some obligations with my parents that I wanted to try to take care of them as well, and, so I looked for an opportunity that would, um, give me that flexibility in the schedule and in my, life where I could do all. And the FedEx opportunity came along. Didn't quite know what it was, but I looked at the business model, and yeah, it did give me that flexibility, ability to make some money, as well as take care of everything I needed to do in my life, the responsibility. Obviously, the route optimization, being able to bring look at everywhere we need to go, divide it up into routes that make sense, and then give the drivers the ability to go in and plan their day more effectively. It also helps bring people on board more quickly. They don't have to go out and I don't have to send another driver with them or send them with another driver every time. I can give them an iPad. The route is mapped out for them. All they really need to do is follow it, and they are much more productive faster. And that's what I was looking for with that component. I think with GroundCloud, for the years that I've been using it, our turnover has dropped dramatically just because people are familiar with it. They depend on it in many circumstances. A lot of contractors, all contractors they've worked for are not using it. And it is a retention component with my company. And that is one thing that they go, well, yeah, it makes my life easier by going out and using this application. And that's been a very strong benefit for us.